Good morning, respected viewers, and good morning, respected ones. Hope of that you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Success with Ma'am Amara. Hope of that you all are well, you all are good, and hope of that you enjoy my teaching. As you better know that we are trying to discuss our syllabus regarding class 10th English, chapter number 1. In my previous lecture, I have discussed with you paragraph number 1, and today we are going to discuss about paragraph number 2. Okay, I want to give you simple understanding so that you can learn in an easy way. Okay. Okay, before to start our today learning, I want to share with you a beautiful or inspirational quote of Albert Einstein. As you better know that Albert Einstein is a very famous scientist famous scientist. He has developed the theory of relativity, and he also won Nobel Prize as well. Okay. He wants to say that a person, he wants to say a very good lesson which I want to share with you. A person who never made mistake never learn new thing. What a beautiful thing he wants to share. A person who never ready to do mistake, never ready to learn new thing. What a beautiful thing, what a great thing, what a beautiful message he wants to share. He wants to say that mistakes are very important. He wants to say that mistakes play an integral role in our lives. Means to say that if we are trying mistake, if we commit mistakes, it's a good it is also a good sign to learn. Means to say it is the guarantee that you are trying to do something. So mistakes are very important. Okay, if you for example, I want to share with you a great person never become a great person if he is not ready to do mistakes. Okay, means to say that I want to give you a wonderful example, give you a simple example from our nature. Means to say that if a child try to help himself herself to become a good walker. Before to become a good walker, he also faces some challenges. He always fall, and then he try to stand himself, and then one day with the good rehearsal, he become a very good walker. He become a good walker, and he stand confidently as well. Okay, means to say that mistakes are very important, and mistakes are the part of our life. So we try to learn from our mistakes. Okay, so that we can become a good person, we can become a successful person. Okay, let's start our today learning. Today we are going to discuss about, today we are going to learn about chapter number 1, paragraph number 2. Okay, before the advent of Islam, Arabian society was marked by a strong tribal structure. Okay, means to say that before the arrival of Islam, Arabian society was marked. Means to say Arabian society was recognized by a strong tribal structure. Okay, means to say that Arabian society was categorized into many tribes, and in each tribe laws or regulation were very important. If people were not follow the tribal rules, they were punished. Okay, so we try to understand the strong tribal structure. What is the meaning of strong tribal structure? Strong tribal structure means a society that is organized into tribes. Okay, strong tribal structure means a society that is categorized, that is organized into tribes, where people are very loyal to their own tribe. Okay, people were loyal to their own tribe and follow its rules. Okay, understand it. And patriarchal norms and social inequality. Yes, now we are trying to understand what is patriarchal. Patriarchal means that type of society in which men were considered as a superior one. Okay, men society, we may say that men dominancy were there, men's dominance were there. Okay, patriarchal means a society or system in which men have more power and authority. Men have more power and society. Okay, means to say, before the arrival of Islam, Arabian society was marked by a strong tribal structure, patriarchal norms, and social inequality. Means to say that social inequality means to say that some people were given the rights, and some people were considered as a subhuman, and they also not given the proper rights as equal to others. Okay. Okay, women were deprived of their basic rights, and even in some cases, newborn girls were buried alive. Okay, that a very cruel thing. That means to say that women were not given the proper rights. Women were not given the rights of equality as well. Women were not given the proper rights. Okay. Women were not given the basic rights. Okay, in many cases, newborn girls were buried alive. Okay, orphans were subject to exploitation and often left without a care of protection, and orphans were also not given the proper rights. Even they were become the subject of exploitation. They were not given the proper rights. Okay, like women's, like slaves. Okay, and often left without care of protection. They also have not rights. They also had not rights the care of protection. Care of protection also also the basic right, and also given to all of them, all of the people, but orphans were deprived this main right. Okay, the care of protection. Okay, slavery was widespread. Slavery was widespread. Means to say that what is the meaning of widespread? Means to say widespread means existing or happening in many places or among many people. Okay, means to say slavery was everywhere. Okay, slavery was everywhere. Slaves were considered subhuman. Slaves were considered subhuman with no rights or legal recognition. Okay, slavery was everywhere. Slaves were not considered a human. That is also a very hard thing. Means to say that slaves were considered as a subhuman. They were not considered as a human. Okay, they have no rights of equality. They have no rights to considered human, and they were not given basic rights as well. Okay, they have no rights. They had no rights and legal recognition. They also had not legal recognition as well. Okay. And in this environment, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, introduced sweeping reforms based on the principles of human dignity, justice, and mercy. At that time, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, came and introduced some basic or sweeping reforms. Okay, reforms means to say that are specific changes which need that means to say that some type of changes which are very very important, which are which become the needs of that society. Okay. Okay, sweeping. Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him introduced such type of reforms that were based on equality, that were based on human dignity, that were based on justice, and that were based on mercy as well. Means to say that a good or peaceful environment always based on good society, always based on justice, always based on mercy and human dignity as well. Okay, and this is the concept which was introduced by Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him. Okay, hope of that this is our lecture. Hope of that you understand it, and sometimes I also give you sometimes I also give you like that patriarchal means I have discussed with you strong tribal structure and widespread. I have given you some important understanding regarding this. Hope of that you understand it. Hope of that you enjoy it. I have one humble request to you that dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and please share my lecture with your good friends. Thank you so much.